ebusian for Ghana SMTV GH. Mestre will like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded to be notified. Ebusian for say yen na yin say John Mahama abanya aba idie. Wamba ma yen nyina. Wamba ma yen nyina. Afina mati asie say Mbeka ya before election ye bisa no question be say ye two mana obey father of all biomana and that's obey father for all the way atamos ye akufado ye na o si debi onu de on benye father for all afina matias ye na ye fi say ye agrobi na no odi o and na ye fi say e bia question na wan tin ye sana oti question ye pa na nakuma mu asem na wo ka kire ya didi agro waka kire say on be father for all. He's a father of selected people, father of a selected few, father of a privileged few. And that is how come Otimiba power. Now the first month out of the power no now ya pam Ghanaian youth. Over 20,000 of them, a free Benjamin. Over 20,000 youth sacked. Ya. Aden. Yes, some money qualification, no. And yes, some money qualification. And yes, some money gonna fall. But enam tremodenti. Yeah. Na Jomama buying where our body. And so am I who say, uko Kumasi any Ashanti region. Omu fa obi ahun. Project Ayɛka so Ashanti region say omunye na wo hold Accra Kumasi kwan na ehia urgent attention no awon aba omu se be den on be expressway besame say expressway na enti se for so ba be no have they even dug one hole yet there be enti u bi so say den na mu ye wa Ashanti region amu say omu na omu hwe kuma wood for so enu kwa na omuye wa Ashanti region. Some Ashanti regional minister if any zenkura. Sa Ashanti Gaya ofri mampono. Onu de ase se sininti na ya appointing no menteme hu. De bia Kwaku menu Vivian Jill mo ho association kwa na odwen. Na obi a anka enye hwea wo free health sector ampo wo free health sector anka o health sector there at least kai say bibi wo wife na agenda 111 na akufo start here and it's very very important ka bibi sa fire priority ana ba wo de sinin kwa kuma wood they win etna we etna na ye taxes ye chia eto ye chia ama o mine na mu de eto attempt 13 ema kuma wood for yenza ndi to attempt 13 na enne Ghana say no one ehwe kuma wood movies view. I'm not discouraging anybody that you must tell ourselves the truth. They say crofo bebre don't do na ye she and people don't even relatively have any time to sit down and spend even an hour or two say omuhwe movie. And on mine, even though that creative arts part is important, we must know how to balance. Bible say a bad balance is an abomination unto God. That is straightforward. Ana mankani ye. So for let me know what you think in the comments. Maybe I mean mankani ye. But that's what I think. Eti unye kuma wood for. Ti say na ye na ye ko dwani kuma wood. U pese mama mboawa. Jiso ye ko dwani kuma wood. Ti mi say mi ko play role ben. Mi say ase mi funny kakra nti. Mi na mi the next little win ana chale. Aban we de enko you enkoye papa, we dear enkoye papa, boys are bre, we dear bati onyale seke, Sana etunium. Let's listen to my friend Lady C. But before then, for Mumbai, your studio, no, we are making progress. If I'm mature, nobody never screen and say Mumbai, why? Kitchen answer. Now let's listen.
Pachawo, Sir Ashanti Regional Minister, they no say it's not necessary, but me person me different be brief. John Mahama wem. Nenim no de tutu niema so no. Ema ye mfa ne se agro keke o. Papa na hypnotize Ghanaians. Eya monhwe ne nikosua na even in a painting. Monhwe the way ankwala ne ye so clever edi painting John Mahama eyes no. Good education and anado de more monti no. Oma ye so clever to an extent to say Oma mix it ye can say detail bia John Mahama de bia nenino aye poised to say eagle bia why ready no be pouncy on nipa sa enina why ne sa no asantefo ne Ghanafo nya moma ye nhwe ne ye na John Mahama enye nani kan no de na mo otom ye can say sunsum fi ahye ne mumma sunsum fi ena mo de enticing crofo ye can say strategy enra esi edun ketia kokasa wo baby formant ba ko asi edun ketia ede share ndc fo ni trim a osan ka kiro mo say even wo maame ye beefo krampa enyine ma wa abonten enkokasa wo maame ye beefo de obefia no abeka o ka kiro mo say enyuma na sisi omo tackle no niema na omo de omo nsa akeka na eye NDC fu onyuma Mahama ye ja hokọ ya na Dubai one fan sanka for the past 8 good years. Eno ametie papa no wehu say in fact me de me telephone no bo fam na nke pai na me tumi chi no wo man I did it. Papa di akohie fita ma omo nso omo ti woni gidi ya bo omo nsem owie no san ka kire omo say esan se na adu bejagu ho for the 8 years na niema say eye Ghanafo sika na ede ye enti na omo ba omo pese omo ye sa niema ni nyina na omo mfantu omo trim na ma say in 4 years time say it's almost 4 omo ba na omo baby savota omo nkai sa niema no. Meanwhile, niema amudi bonsaki kenyina na nadu na ye John Mahama oye so useless. His first term obeyidi agro oni kume wood for na beyi concert. Ehwehwe ma pieto. Eno de koye, eno asen abebiem. Memfa no nto nchen, nti yenhye no nso. Pad odineni tum, bas odineni tum, baby Mahama dineni beto. Enti mesre ma me abrewa koko farmer bi na also beba Accra, not the for sale. Akobo jet no ho no. Onkai no fa for sale mbubo baby Mahama ni ewo bia ne ntonton fi ho. Na Mahama onye papa. Mefia no so a na fe me ko ye friend is saying Sami Jemfi office na we renovate na mo for say na Sami Jemfi ye wem. Sami Jemfi yes how the nacho or stepping into office na no ye. Emma ba out me ebeka ho asem mokotena one of their TV radio stations ko kan say on sisa she office bia na the same way obeto how the previous boss na no wo ho ni jaye na no anotim. After accountability ban and catch up with them all. Some yacho, and yet, until we shouldn't think say see and why or yeah, maybe no him or mobile. Gold na minia ba will be somewhere sem share gold no way. As I said earlier, Mahama or ye Mahalaya no baso be dupi Ghana or nini near Ibrahim any the Mahama family. Omu bewia Ghana normal bogana say kojo to. Enonti na one time ojina platform onyankopon de hama born na pampem. Eno ka ne tekrema. Eno ka se mo anhwe yi a mo behu ane se ya ton Ghana. Eyampa. Ekwan na no befa so aton Ghana no. Ebi ni gold no maton no. gold no near NDC for ni John Mahama ye ni say oman ton ama obi o sister ama ni sister ekua ne mu amowa ha nyina no neutral person no fi baby aba me ye ton gold man NDC for na Mahama Ibrahim Asiedu and all the rest Mahama na fe mu fa kese e fa kese na fa ye no nso no odi mani nua no e na omo amase etwa mo ho na omo to ama yen Ghana boodin na nti we mi kan se mesua duabo na da bia ma bo mu dua ma ya bone wa hwia yen aya de aton ama ho cheap 3 months after why you U10 wo beton ama yen aboodin God will punish you people sha NDC for yen crophobia se Ghana for yen fi sa bre ensuomo that is now modernam na ye be ye mmobo se because John Mahama asobi kan ye no waye no ho chameleon de bia no sisa kala odru baby e wa asem obeka de entize group particular group na we shiomo no o kanyina ni trim no odi matem o kanyina ni trim no odi watem Mahama taking it for granted say Ghanaians we are fools that is why okache and say you was short memory omo kwe omo tape bi amba abonten omo video recording bi amba Mahama akatra asantefo say wenum yenkwa dada omo no mo vote ma ye wia na eyi omo esi baby minko ti verbatim but that's exactly what they meant say me hu sa video na me de beba na e play o say asantefo we yenda dom no mo to omo abama ye wia na eyi omo say ya pam omo esi nchen o say aye omo den and video ni ba out and yet yes I got to abama papa we enti ye phone say send na papa we obe fa na adwen mu about us Mahama de bi osre ye yo one ne family no
Maxi lady see ye na fo anu si mame why na ne de ensema ye wo kan edoso pa e na ya ha be
me pa cho mate but ne me de Manu esi ne me ka ato aso ne say yes akanfo nyina any Ghana fo nyina whether being a typical NDC stronghold or whatever ye nyina sisi a ye ma ye ninti ye ma ye ninda hot say aboa owo because John Mahama ye na adwen say obekum no asai no wakọ sisi NDC for na another strategy omo de benti Asiedu nkete anomo nenam fund new foundation a omo forming no omo ya hu say entokwa na ekoso wo mu fie ho no wan hwe a omo nya obi amfa ne mba as flag bearer enti ye twi mu time Mahama wo de ye ka ono a no besin aba asin aba de ye ka
lady see and emfa
they will tempt it they are going to once omo jaye Mahama for 2028 omo started BMO omo jaye they started again. Odam patro me de Manu esi na me NDC for me